Honey, I'm home, and I have a gift for you from our today's sponsor. Don't mind my holiday stuff, but I found a Logitech Z10 flagship in the gift shop and a brand new Logitech Z313 2.1 computer speaker system with subwoofer for you. Definitely, we'd like to thank Level 8 Company. Because of their support, we'll be able to do a teardown video for brand new Logitech system. Well, let's get on with the speaker disassembly. Grab some popcorn, listen to some background music, and let's take a look together at how this Logitech Z313 system is built. Wait, we need a little rest here. Is that a full aluminum carry-on suitcase? Yeah, baby, it's for real. No need to worry about safety of our luggage treasures in this suitcase. And it's also equipped with dual TSA approved locks. If you remember, we have a video. How to easy unlock forgotten suitcase lock, where already 1 million people have opened theirs. Hopefully their own suitcase locks without tools. Level 8 luggage is not so easy to unlock. It requires special tools. The suitcase has ultra quiet 360-degree durable spinner wheels, slow release handles, both handles. The suitcase is also equipped with a mesh pocket interior divider, which can also be easily removed if you want to carry Logitech speakers. Also, aluminum luggage comes with 4-piece organizer bag set and bag marker set. But time to go back to Logitech teardown. If you're also interested in thoughtful and serious suitcases, you can check out the Level 8 case page. The links will be in the description, as well as full and detailed unboxing video link. Thank you again Level 8 for sponsoring today's video. And let's finish up on this speaker disassembly tour.
Diamonds in the sky, shades of